Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Brantford local and long distance movers near me. You know your real friends when it's time to move to a new place. Not just anybody will want to deal with that. Instead of putting them to the test, work with 3 Movers. We offer professional and reliable moving services in Brantford, Ontario. We also work with long distance and local moves for both commercial and residential needs, and many other forms of moving. Weight should be your biggest concern in a long distance moving project. Canadian moving companies are required to check the total weight of your items on the truck to get an estimate based on the total weight of the cargo. That estimate is then reflected as a per pound quote. Since weight is such an important consideration, the amount of objects you will move has a direct relation to the cost. Our evaluators will help you make downsizing decisions so you can keep the total price at a reasonable level. We also offer insurance to keep your valuables protected at all times. With a smaller distance from your old place to your new place comes lower costs. This is a big advantage of local moves. The main thing you need to think about is the labor involved. Labor normally has an hourly rate based on the time to load and unload. You can pack up your items beforehand to reduce the time that it takes, and therefore the total price. However, if you are worried about not doing it the right way, you can let our professional crew take care of it. We also offer special packaging services for items that require special handling. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brantford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.